effect, but most of us are about 10 to 15 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. So big improvement over the clouds and rain that we were dealing with on Thursday. We can't escape the chill for long, though, even though we've got a really nice weekend ahead. By the time we get into Sunday, we can see that cooler air hanging out just to our north, and it starts to arrive next week. Monday, and especially as we get into Tuesday, high temperatures going back to the 50s. And once we get there, it looks like that may be where we stay for highs through the beginning of the following week. So it's ways to go before we can finally say that the warmth is here to stay. But at least the weekend looks nice, and we get some sunshine to do it. You can already start to see that cold front on the other side of the lake. Those are the showers there that are starting to form. We will be seeing an increase in clouds, I think, with those with that front that comes through, but it will be mainly dry. Depending on the timing of it, may scare up just a couple east side sprinkles late afternoon into the early evening. But again, generally, I think most of us are going to be dry. And then on Sunday, that front goes far enough south, so even if showers do start to regenerate along it, it should be well clear of the area, and we can enjoy a mostly sunny finish to the weekend. Lows tonight down into the 40s. We'll call it partly cloudy with a light northwest wind. Let's count the 70s in your 4-zone forecast, and we'll start in the metro zone. 70 in Romulus, maybe some downrivers, upper 60s there, but generally across the south zone, 71 to 73 is what we're expecting. Numbers slightly cooler, but not by much out there in the west zone. Still some low 70s. And maybe a smattering of upper 60s, closer to 275. North zone, you will be cooler, but not by much. We'll get down to 60 there for a high in Lexington, but most of the rest of the north zone in the upper 60s for highs tomorrow. There's your 7-day forecast, and notice how quickly things change into next week. The other thing you'll notice is there's not a whole lot of rain in that forecast. Tuesday night into Wednesday, we may see some drops, and then again on Friday. But Karen, soak in these 70s, because the 50s